Hey guys, Kevin the Bar here. Welcome back to a new video. And today we are going to do ninja stars today. Hopefully you guys are hyped up. Let's get to it. What you guys are going to need are 2 pieces of paper. It doesn't matter what kind as long as it's paper. And it's a rectangle. Scissors, some kind of pen, and maybe a ruler. The first thing you will need are your papers. With one of your papers, fold it till it is lined up at the very top and make it look like part of a triangle now, like it's no longer a full rectangle. You want to crease it and everything. So I want to be perfectly folded as much as possible. So like this. You see the whole rectangle right here is just chopped off. Do the same thing with the other one. With your ruler, you want to mark it the little line that comes off so you could cut it into a perfect square. With your ruler and the pen. Try to get it as straight as possible. Do it to both of the papers. Now, with one of your papers, open them up and using your scissors, you want to cut through the line you drew. You want to make it as straight as possible. Do that to both papers. You want to save these little pieces for later. They are going to make a mini ninja star. Using one of your papers, you want to fold halfway. I don't know if it's hot dog or hamburger because they're all the same length. But just fold it into perfectly halfway. After that, now you want to fold it again, but to the middle, like the very middle, to make it like a smaller rectangle. Do that with both of the flaps to make sure, try to get it nice and straight. After you've done this, you want to fold it now, so it could be one paper now, one rectangle. Do that to both of your papers, the square ones. There you go. One of your papers, you want to fold it in half again to make it into a smaller rectangle. After that, you want to open it up again. Do that to both of your papers. Now, what you want to do with one of them, this is where the tricky part starts. This is where it starts getting really tricky. Now, from the halfway mark, on the left side, you want to do up until it reaches that middle fold line you just made. Like this. And then with the one on the right, you put it down to the halfway line. Just like this. So now it looks like California, kind of. Do you guys see it? Kind of looks like California, like the state. With your other paper, you kind of want to do the same thing. But instead of the one on the left going up, you want to make it go down. And the one on the right go up. Now after that, you want to make it look like make it look off. One that looks California, and the other one that is the opposite from this side. Now, what you want to do is both of them, turn it around. Now it looks like a house. Now you want to make it look the other way again, so you go around. Now it looks like this again. With the top left side, you want to fold the left side, so make it look like a zigzag. Or like this. You know how it's like that? If you fold it the other way, it look like a straight bar. So you want to make it go sideways. And this one, do the same thing. So now, after you've done this, you want to fold it up. Like, just like this. Do this to both of them. After you have both of them, they should look something like this. Like little diamonds. Now, you want to do is open them up. And you want to see a perfect rectangle. In the back, you should see like a little line passing through it. Now, this is a little bit more trickier than the folding part. Now what you want to do is you want to make them hug. Literally, just this rectangle, put it on this rectangle. And on the arms, you want to close them in. So it looks like this. Eventually we'll put them in. See, it's kind of in the shape of a ninja star. Now open this one, put the blue one in, then close it to secure it. And the other left one, you want to fit it inside the pocket. That's through these two. Just like that. Now you flip it around, you do the same thing. You want to put them inside the pockets. Now, you just want to adjust it to make it look nice and cool. Now, this is your ninja star. This is how it comes out. Do you guys remember the little ones? You guys want to do the same thing you guys did with the big papers with this one. But that will be for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.